In this video, I will explain about Go constant and also will cover what is constant, how to declare a constant value, declaring a group of constant, string constant, boolean constant and numeric constant. What is Go constant? The term constant in Go is used to denote a fixed value. This is a simple declaration of a constant. Then next we can check the how to declare a constant value. The keyword const is used to declare a constant. Let us see how to declare a constant using an example. In this code, a is a constant and it is assigned the value 50. This is the simple example of a constant in Go programming language. Then next we can check the how to declare a group of constant. There is also another syntax to define a group of constant using single statement. We'll go to an example. We can use the same program. From t dot println of name, from t dot println of age, from t dot println of country. This is the example of group constant. We can declare any type of value inside of the group constants. Like here I declare the name as string, age as integer, and country as again string. We can declare any type of value inside of a group constant. We can run the program. Here we will show the this is example of single constant value This is an example of the group constant data. Constants, as the name indicate, cannot be reassigned again to any other value. In the program, I will explain it in another program. I tried to yes. Here we declare a single constant a equal to 50. Then I again tried to declaring then I again I tried to change the value of a, like a equal to 56, 58. You can show the error, cannot assign to a, like this is a constant value. We can't assign any other value into the constant value. Then it shows the errors. The value of constant should be known at the compile time, and it cannot be assigned to a value returned by a function call, since the function is takes place at the runtime. Next, we can explain about the string constant. In string constant, we have the typed and untyped constants. Any value enclosed between double quotes is a string constant in Go. For example, I'll declaring a string like hello world or any other name that can be declared instead of a double quotes. That is the string constants in Go. In string constants, we have the typed and untyped constants value. We can see the example like a string constants like I declaring a constant value as hello, and I will put the value as hello world. This string constant doesn't have a typed value. Doesn't have a type, so it's a untyped value. Go is a strongly a typed language. All variables require an explicit type. How does the we can check the another example like const n equal to, let's name the name John. Then I will declare a variable like name equal to n. Then I will print the fmt dot printf type. You can show the type of a value by using the syntax %t, and the value you can show declare the value, use the like the answer is untyped constants. We have a default type associated with them, and they supply it if and only if a line of code demands. In the statement var name equal to n in the line 20, the name needs a type, and it gets it from the default type of the string constant n, which is a string that here we declare as the type string. Then we can check the how to create a typed constant string value. Here example will show the const type hello is a string. I will declare as a string as a type. Then we can check the hello new type. This is the way we can create the typed string constants. Go is strongly a typed language. We can mixing the types during the assignment is not allowed. Can check the another program. Bar default name equal to John. Then I will create a type my string is a string value. Then var custom name equal as my string. Then is equal to I will declaring a value is also a John. Then assign the value custom name to the our default name. Sorry. Here we can show the this is not allowed here. It's a type of constants. We can't allow to the it's a it's a variable. We can't assign the value a constant a variable into the constant. Then we can show the error. The first we create a variable as default name and assign to the constant as John. In the default type of the constant John is a string. So after assignment, the default name is of a type string. In the next line, we create a new type as my string, which is the alias of a string. Then we create a variable as a cust name of type my string and assign the constant is as John. Since the constants John is untyped, because it's a just we create a constant value as a default name. Since the constants John is untyped, it can be assigned to any string variable, and the assignment is not allowed. The custom name gets type my string. Now we have a variable default name of a type string and another variable custom name of a type my string. Even though we know that my string is an alias of a string, Go is a strongly typed policy. This allows variables one to be assigned to the another, and hence the assignment custom name is equal to default name is not allowed. And then the compiler shows the error, when you run cannot use the default name as a string. It's an error, we can't assign the constant to another string. This is the string constants in Go language. Next we can check the and remove this code. Boolean constants. In Boolean constants are no difference from the string constants. There are two untyped constants true and false. The same rules for string constants apply to Boolean. So we will not repeat them here. The following we can check the some example const true. Then I will create another type my bool as bool. Then I assign a variable, assign the true constant. The variable is allowed because the variable, so it's allowed in Go language. like default bool equal to true const. So allow var I can create another variable cast bool is my bool. I will create a my bool as a boolean variable type and is equal to true constant is allowed also. Then I will assign I'll try to assign the default bool into the cast bool is not allowed because it's not allowed because it's like a we can't assign a constant and another. It's the same rule. There is the same rule in string constants and the boolean constants. The next will explain about I will explain about the numeric constants. In numeric constants include the integers, floats, integer values, floating values, and complex constant value. There are some subtitle. There are some subtleties in numeric constants. I will explain about with the example. We'll create a constant. Constant as a equal to 5. Then I will create a variable int var int equal to a. Then I can a variable int 32 variable as int 32 equal to a. Then I will create a variable as float 64 is a complex value. Float 64 is equal to a. Then I will create a variable as complex 64 whereas complex 64 equal to a. Then I print the from t dot println int var then I'll next line is /n. Then I'll print the int 32 var as int 32 var. Then I try to print the next int float 64. Then I will create the new line /n float 64 var as float 64 var. Then I try to print the complex complex 64 whereas complex 64 var. In this program I'll explain about the program. Okay, in this program the constant a is at untyped in this program constant a is a untyped and the value has 5. Then I tried to then I create another variable as int var and into var in 32 in variable, and also the assign the float 64 variable and complex 64 variable. So you can assign the that constant value into the this variable because it's an untyped value. Then I'll bring the all the type variable and the what is exact value in each integer type. This is all about the Go constants. In Go constants, we have the different type of constants: string constants, Boolean constants, and numeric constants. In string constants and in string constants and numeric constants, Boolean constants, we have the typed and untyped values. This is all about the Go constants.